everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free Easter crates in Grow a Garden. So in this, the Easter crates looks like this. It will look like this. So in this Easter update, there is a new item that called Easter eggs like this, which can give you a random rewards. And now, if you want to get these Easter crates for free, here's what you need to do. You need to join the egg war event like this. This event happens every 1 hour and only lasts for 2 minutes. So make sure you don't miss it. And during this event, you need to collect Easter crates and that spawns around the garden. And keep in mind this is a competition with other players, so it can get really intense. So just a tip, if you don't want to fight over loot, just join a private server. That in that way you can collect Easter eggs safely without other players stealing them. And okay, that's it. The easy ways to get free Easter crates and rewards. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.